welcome back. You know, Shane out there again with the next installment of his greatest and most best Christmas, right? This is 2022. Take a look at what we have right here. We got curry powder. This is ground allspice, ground allspice. Walkers with jerk marinade, Grace browning, Himalayan salt. Maggie, we're working with Maggie, the best one ever. Boom. All right, so let's get right into it. We have the oxtail Christmas special, already marinating in some onions, some garlic, browning, some all-purpose, and some pimento. All right. We have curry going right here. So we already marinate the jerk pork in some ginger and onion.